let's assume you opened the software like this. Now we have this interface. The first thing you need to consider is how do you want to design your project. The second one is, okay, let me quickly save it first. You can see this button, you save. Let me call it sample. Alright, saved. Now the next thing is I want to use image. So this icon is for image. Let's click on it. When you click, you can see we have many images here, and if you want to search, you can search here. So let me use this. Now I have this. As you can see, you can drag it all around. Okay, now after this, let me use text. My first sample. Okay, so we have font here, so let me click on font. Maybe you don't like this basic font, you can change the font. You can see how we have here. So when I want to use this font, is it installed? It's not installed. You can see. So you click on this button. Anyone you want to install, if you want to install this, you click on this, and if you want to install this, you click on this. So it will install the characters. After installing, you will be able to find it here. You can see. So those found here are the ones I've installed. All right. So let me put my text. This is my text. So let me call it my first step, my first sample. Okay, now let's check what we have done. So let me quickly check it like this. You click on this button. This button means it will display it from the beginning. So you want to display only this. If you want it to display from here, or you want to display from here, you click on this object, then you click on display. So to play from the current element here. And if you want to play all, you click on the first button, or you come here to the first one and click on play. So let me click here. Alright, very good. Now let me start like this. You know, when it was it was sketching this diagram, something happened. The way it looks like this is the same way it looks on our display. Let's check it out. Can you see why? Because the way it is, this one is not showing. Do you know why this one is not showing? Let's come here, extend. There is something here called camera. So let's click on the camera position of this object. So that means when doing it, it will look like exactly like this, and we have my first sample under it. Let's check it out. So my first sample will come because I can't wait for that one. Okay, now the second one we have my first sample. So let's click on this button. This one is to show how it will look like on the display. Now this is how it will look like on the display. So let's check it out whether it is true or not. Can you see? We have their legs here. So let me check it here. Let's click on camera. You can see we have their legs here. So this is how it will look on the display. Now if you want to change how it will look, let me reduce. Maybe I'll do it like this. Now if you want it to look like this on the display, you come to the camera here, you set the camera. After setting the camera, so let's check it out. So you can see the way it looks. The way it looks like this is the same way it will look on the display. Okay, and if you want it to look like this, you want it to look like this on the display, where the kid will stay beside the text. So the way it is now, you can remove the camera before, set the camera so that it will look exactly like this on the display. Let's check it out. You can see the kid is beside the text. Good. Alright, we are done with a simple text. How can we add? Oh, it's auto save. How can we add? Okay, let me further save this. Don't forget you can copy and paste. This is your element. You click on cut. You click on copy. After copy, you can click on paste here. Okay. Now, how can you add music to this project? You click on this place. You can see we have many to use. And you want to upload yours, you click on this place to import. And you want to import it via URL, you click on this place and provide the URL of the music. Okay, so let me use this, or let me select. Very nice. Okay, let me use this. Reduce the volume. I want to increase the volume. If you reduce the volume, maybe you want to use voiceover later, so you can reduce the volume. So let me increase this. So let's play it now. This is how this one will look. Okay, I want this thing to look exactly like this on my display. So I set the camera so that it will look exactly like this. Let's go. Alright, if you don't like the speed, that it was sketching this one. No, let me go back. How can we check this thing on the camera without playing it? Come here, click on this camera. Good. It means this is how it will present on the camera. Alright, let me select this place, animate. It will animate for 5 seconds, so you can reduce it so that it will be very fast. After animating, it will pause before it jumps to this new one. So the pause is this after 1 second, or you can increase it. Now before it jumps to this place, do you want to animate? Yes, that's a transition here. Yes. How many seconds it will take to animate? 1 second. So you want to increase it, so let's check it out. To animate, to sketch, that's it. To sketch, it will take 1.5 seconds. While here, after displaying, it will pause for 1 second. It now move like this. It will move, maybe it will move to another place like this, moving like that. It's called transition here. So it will move like that for how many seconds? Let me use 4 seconds so that you 4 seconds so that you understand what I mean. Let's play it. You can see when it was moving, it's very slow. Yeah, that's what is called that. Alright, how can you use voiceover for this? Now before you use voiceover, don't forget to reduce the volume of this so that it will not cover your voice. Okay, so come here. You can record instead of importing your mp3, the sound, the voice. Instead of importing your voice, you can record. Let's check. Hello, welcome to my first sample. This my first sample. Alright, so it's processed my audio. After that, it will add it to the project, so my voice will come out. Let's play. Hello, welcome to my first sample. Okay, so if you play it now, it will play it with my voice. Hello, welcome to my first sample. Good. And if you have your own, delete this. If you have your own, you can import it. You can import sound.
Are you looking for quality and affordable materials for gent and lady?
You can see. So that's how you do that voiceover. And if you want to set hand, you know the way it was sketching, the hand it was using to sketch, you want to change it, or you want to set default, that will be used throughout. So you can see we have different ends here. So it was this by default. So let me select this one. So let's check it out. Hello, welcome to my first sample. Oh, it's still using my sound, my voice. Let me remove it. Okay, so let's play it again. Good, but this thing is taking much time. I want 1 second. Pause for 1 second. Good. All right, now what other thing? You can set background. This is background. This is whiteboard. You can set it to blackboard. You see, we have different. If I click on this, I can set the color. You can see I can set to black so that it will change to black background. Then you click on OK. That's how to set background. All right, so the next thing we can do, now we have gotten the first, the second object. Now if you can see that this canvas is very wide. You see, it's very wide. Anyway you want to place your object again, you know, after showing my first sample, where do you want to, is it like this, is it like this, anyhow, any angle you want. And if you are lost on the screen, you click on this place. You can see fit to screen. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, and all that. Okay, or use your mouse to zoom in, zoom out. So now let me add another thing. We have charts. So these are to create charts. You select your charts to use. So let me add another image. Let me use this. Now if you place it here, how do you want it to look on the screen? Is it here or auto save? Yeah. Is it here or here or here? Anyway, if you want it to be here, that means you have to set the camera. That the camera should let your object stay here. So click here, set the camera. So let's check it out. Now you can see this side. Alright, now playing it from this place now, it will write my first sample. The screen will move like this to meet this place. Let's check it out. Click on this place to start it from the beginning. Can you see? So it will locate your next element, and if you like, put it there. So the screen will just move like this and go straight to where your next element is. So that's how to work with this software. And when you are done, you click on this place to share. So you can add your own logo. If you have logo, you can add it to this video. So you can convert it to PPT, which is PowerPoint, or save it into Vimeo, YouTube, or save it to this Sparkle website, or you just download it. This download means it will be saved into your desktop here. So if you click on this, you can see we have QuickTime. This QuickTime very fast to use, so I like using this, and I like using set to. You can see we have different. So you can set it to 1080 by size. This one is very okay. So the name of the file is called sample. Then you click on save. When you click on save, it starts changing this your screen into video, right? So, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me. You can find my details at the bottom of this video. And also to download this software, you can see that this software does not have a watermark. So that means I'm using licensed software. So download your own at below. I think is a trial version you are going to download. So, and to get a license like this, you have to go to their website, or just contact me. I will tell you what to do next. Thanks for watching.